How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be talking about this course for the Red Hat Certified Sysadmin exam that I'm just going to be doing. So this is day one. This is just going to be an intro with some of the things that you need. So the first things first is, who am I? I recently got certified back in July. The exam was great. It was 3 hours and it wasn't too bad. And so I want to share what I learned through that process. And then I also work in IT. I've had several roles such as help desk, and I was a support specialist, and I'm currently a remote service engineer for Philips Healthcare. And I'm just a genuine fan of Linux and the value it provides. I use Linux on a daily right now as a daily driver. Who is this course for? Anyone who wants to learn about Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9, because that's the exam that I took. And then any IT professional who wants to learn about Linux administration, and anyone looking to supplement some of their study if they're currently studying for the EX200. And then what you're gonna need, you're gonna need at least some CompTIA A+ experience, because they're gonna be talking about host names, and also networking experience because you're gonna be doing some IP stuff. And then if you do not, fill the gaps in knowledge as they come up with a Google search or other resources. And then you're also going to need access to a computer with virtualization. So this can be a Windows computer, a Linux computer, even Mac OS is fine. And lab setup, so we're going to need the RHEL 9 ISO, Type 2 hypervisor. Some examples are Virt Manager, VirtualBox, and VMware. In this course, I'm just going to be using Virt Manager on a Linux OS. And then I have here, please refer to respective documentation for your choice of Type 2 virtualization, because you're probably going to have to troubleshoot some things. For example, like resolution is incorrect, like the text is really tiny, maybe some other issues, like some storage issues, something like that. So preferred resources on the host machine, though, so your local machine, the box sitting in front of you should be at least a dual core processor, 64 gigabits or gigabytes of free storage, and 12 gigabits of RAM. And this is just a recommendation. You can do with less if you need to, or don't have any other options. And then here's just some information on where you can get the RHEL 9 image here, and then I'll also put this in the description as well. But that's it for this first video, and then we'll do the lab in the next video. Any questions? Just comment.